A very good morning to all of you. Today I am going to share my knowledge on the first practical of B.Pharm first semester. The subject name is Human Anatomy and Physiology 1. And the first practical of this same is to study the different parts of compound microscope. So before starting the practical, first you have to know what is microscope and what are the different types of microscope. So microscope is an instrument or equipment by which we can see the tiny object or the small objects which we can't able to see by our naked eyes. There are two types of microscope. One is simple microscope and other one is the compound microscope. So then we will provide you the knowledge of different parts of microscope, that is the stand, body and the optical lens. So the mechanical part we'll discuss in the next video.